doing stress analysis and strength analysis. So if if one of the things we could do a check and balance on in regards to this new STL model, if the agent creates a new model, then it would necessarily, through the process, through good governance here, it would have to go and be run through the stress strain analysis model that are available. And then you would know whether you got a good model or not. That really gets into a really exciting space that I'm familiar with. But you're starting some of these 3D models, and this is a sidebar, I'll be very quick. They're building more organic looking solutions instead of the traditional three-dimensional parts we're familiar with in the industry. But that's a great question. But and again, the checks and balances in that place is there's real engineering and scientific principles, physics that we can test it against.
And I think that's one of the key things here, I think, actually, is, the common theme here is don't stick with one model for doing all these jobs. You can't have the checks and balances, let's say, just with one model or one solution addressing the problem space. Having multiple agents with different perspectives coming, whether it's in that test cycle or challenging those and kind of bringing that holistic view together to paint that kind of picture. So having multiple models here, multiple agents with different viewpoints, challenging what is being created with different motivations.